Hi dear children, today we will study the last lesson of the second unit. Take page number 38. What is this heading? Do you know? True love. What is that? True love. True love means what? Real love or correct love. Isn't it? യഥാർത്ഥ സ്നേഹം. Real love. Listen children. True love. The butterflies were totally wet. It was very difficult for them to fly. They looked at the sky. It was still cloudy. The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. He was pleased to see the love and care among the butterflies. Listen children. True love. Whose love is here? True love. That is three butterflies love. The butterflies were totally wet. We saw that the sunflower gave only shelter to the red and yellow butterflies, and after that they did not stay with the sunflower. They went away and they saw a white lily, and they asked shelter to that white lily. Then white lily only gave permission to the white butterfly to stay with the white lily. Then that time also the white butterfly won't stay with the white lily and leaving away their friends in dismay. So the butterflies were totally wet. What happened? They were totally wet. Mara peida vallada totally they wet down. Totally spell out children. TOTALLY. What is that word? Totally. Totally wet. Fullayi nananju. Totalaayittu avaru nananju poi. It was very difficult for them to fly. So what happened? They felt that it was very difficult to fly again. It was very difficult for them to fly. They could not fly because they were totally wet. They looked at the sky. Then what did they do? They looked at the sky to see how was the sky. It was still cloudy. That time also they saw that the sky was full of clouds. Cloudy. Cloudy spell out. CLOUDY. മേഘാവൃതമായി മഴ മേഘം കാർമേഘം മൂടിക്കെട്ടി നിൽക്കുന്നതിനാണ് ക്ലൗഡി സ്കൈ എന്ന് പറയുക. The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. And what did they see? The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. Cloudsന്റെ പുറകിലിരുന്ന് from behind the clouds, the sun was watching them. The sun was watching the butterflies from behind the clouds. ക്ലൗഡ്സിന് പുറകിലിരുന്ന് നമ്മുടെ സൂര്യൻ ഇവരെ വാച്ച് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. The sun saw that the three butterflies were totally wet. He was pleased to see the love and care among the butterflies. Then the sun became very pleased to see the love and care among the butterflies. The sun understood the real love among the butterflies. അവരുടെ റിയൽ ലവ് എന്താണെന്ന് അവർ കണ്ട് സൂര്യന് സണ്ണിന് ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമായി. ഹി became very happy to see their true love. Then what did the sun do? We will see in the next class. Children, underline the difficult words. First line, totally. 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 Full ആയിട്ട് നനഞ്ഞ ഒന്നാണ് totally wet. Difficult. Second line, difficult. DIFFICULT. Difficult for them to fly. അവർക്ക് ഫ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ വളരെ വിഷമമായി, ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടായി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ, ക്ലൗഡി. CLOUDY. ക്ലൗഡി മേഘാവൃതമായി തന്നെ കണ്ടു. വാച്ചിങ്, WATCHING, വാച്ചിങ്, അണ്ടർലൈൻ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലൈൻ, ബിഹൈൻഡ്, പുറകിൽ, ബാക്ക് സൈഡ്. ഫ്രം ബിഹൈൻഡ് ദ ക്ലൗഡ്സ്, ക്ലൗഡ്സിൻ്റെ പുറകിൽ നിന്ന്. BEHIND, ബിഹൈൻഡ് ദ ക്ലൗഡ്സ്, ക്ലൗഡ്സിൻ്റെ പുറകിൽ നമ്മുടെ സൂര്യനുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ സൂര്യൻ അത് കണ്ടു. ഹി വാസ് പ്ലീസ്ഡ്, ഹി ബിക്കെയിം വെരി ഹാപ്പി, ഫീലിംഗ് ഹാപ്പി. PLEASED, what is that word children? Pleased. Pleased to see love and care among, AMONG, among the butterflies. അവരുടെ ഇടയിലുള്ള സ്നേഹം കണ്ട്, അവർക്ക് തമ്മിലുള്ള സ്നേഹം കണ്ടിട്ട് സോ ദ സൺ became so pleased. Okay, write the difficult words back side and learn the spelling, and also read the paragraph 2 times. Have a nice day. God bless you.